Welcome back to Rhinos Productions. Today we're going to make a really simple scrap rack for all of my lumber. The problem is that I have a bunch of scrap wood that's throughout the entire shop.
Here, and here, and here, there, and there, and there, and there, and there, and there.
And I want it all to be in a tower right here next to my lathe.
It's a really simple design, and I want you to see it. So here's my lathe right here. Cool. There's the lathe. Right? There's the lathe. And I want to put the and then here's the wall. That's the wall. Right? So we got the wall and the lathe. And I want to build a tower right here. And then I'll build shelves in the tower, and we'll put wood here, and here, and here, and here, and here. And this is what it's going to look like. Okay, scratch that idea. This is what we're going to do. So I realized that I have a bunch of really shorter pieces, and if I have it all really deep, then it'll be hard to grab those pieces. So, what I'm thinking is... it's something more like this, where you have bigger shelves on the bottom and then smaller shelves on top. That way I can put the smaller items up on top, and I can put the bigger items down on bottom, and I also have some shelf room now.
Hey you guys, thank you for watching another episode of Rhinos Productions.
Here it is, all finished. It's all filled with lumber. I wish I had more wood storage. As you can see, it's pretty damn full. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. And if you want to see me build something, just leave a suggestion down below as well. Thank you so much for watching. As always, it's a great day for a great day. Have a good one, you guys.